हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश का ज्ञान चिंतन के साथ। आई होप यू ऑल गाइस आर डूइंग वेल। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन ऑफ टू वर्ड्स with meaning and with sentences likewise we do on every weekend. Okay, so the first word for today's video is incumbent, right? The number 85, the first word is incumbent. If I talk about the category of this particular word, then it is adjective. And if I talk about the meaning of this particular word, it is very simple meaning, but the word is quite unique. So whenever we use in our day-to-day communication either current, or whenever we use existing, whenever we use present, or any person holding that particular position currently, okay, that can be considered as a incumbent. यानी जो पर्सन वो पोस्ट पे अभी है, right, that can be considered as a incumbent. Okay, the very simple meaning is either current, let's say for example current captain of the team, existing captain of the team, a person who is right now captain of the team. Okay, if we are talking about the previous captain, then it can be considered as a ex captain. But the current captain, so instead of using current, you can utilize incumbent captain. So whenever we use either current or existing or present, those words can be replaced with this incumbent word, right? I hope you understand the meaning of this particular word. Now, without wasting any time, let's discuss the first sentence which I have created for today's video and for this particular word. And the first sentence is, our incumbent Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. See, in the history of Indian politics, there have been so many Prime Ministers, but I'm talking about the current Prime Minister. And just because of that reason, instead of using current Prime Minister, current word, instead of using existing word, instead of using present Prime Minister, I have utilized the word as a incumbent Prime Minister. It means the Prime Minister who is working now or who is holding that post now. So our current Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, and instead of using current, I have utilized word incumbent Prime Minister. It means existing Prime Minister. It means current Prime Minister. I hope now you probably understand the meaning in a more clear way, right? Okay. Now let's discuss the second sentence which I have created by using this incumbent word. The sentence is something like this: that the incumbent leader of any team can maintain healthy environment in team by taking responsibility of team's lower performance without blaming each other in front of public. Here the sentence is very much general, and I have tried to create a bigger sentence so that you will also develop the habit of creating bigger sentences instead of restricting yourself to a lower length sentences. So the meaning of this particular sentence is something like that the current leader of any team, so instead of using current, I have utilized word incumbent. There is like that particular leader can maintain healthy environment in team by taking the responsibility of team's loss, by taking the responsibility of team's lower performance without blaming each other in front of public, because that is the main quality of any incumbent leader of any team or of in any field, that he or she should take the responsibility of team's performance, whether it is good, whether it is bad. Okay, in most of the time, like when the performance is bad, it is the responsibility of incumbent leader of that particular field, of that particular team, to take that responsibility of failure without blaming each other within the team in front of the public, then and then the good team will be built up, and then the performance of that particular team will be improved. So that is the quality. It depends on the quality of incumbent leader of that particular team. Okay, so I hope you understand the meaning of this incumbent word and in which context the word can be utilized. Now let me go to the article, the news article or the headline in which I have seen this particular word to be utilized. And the headline says something like this, that US President elect Biden, his deputy Harris, and incumbent President Trump send Diwali greetings, right? It means right now, recently we have seen or we have gone through the US election, US presidential election, and in like still now also, although the Biden has been selected as the next prime minister, but still Trump is doing the activities as incumbent president of US. And once the timing of that particular thing will be over, then Biden will take over that position. So incumbent President Trump has sent Diwali greetings to all the Indians. So current President Trump has sent that greetings. Existing President Trump has sent that greetings. Okay, so instead of using current or instead of using existing, the incumbent word has been utilized in this headline. Okay, now let me go to the another word in which the another word which I have selected for this particular video, and that word is accumulate. It's a beautiful word, and if I talk about the category of this particular word, then it is verb. If I talk about the meaning of this particular word, then it is very simple meaning. In a day-to-day life, we use word collect a lot. We use gather a lot, right? So whenever we use either collect or gather word in our day-to-day communication, and instead of using those simple words, if you would like to use something unique, then you can use or you can replace that particular words with accumulate word. It has the same meaning. Either collect, you can consider the meaning of that accumulate word as either collect or either gather, right? यानी किसी भी चीज को इकट्ठा करना, right? So let's go and discuss the first sentence which I have selected or which I have created for this particular word. And the first sentence is, before going on trip, we should accumulate all medicines which can be required to or which can be required during the trip. So instead of using collect, I have utilized accumulate word. So before going on trip, we should collect all medicine which can be required during the trip. So instead of using collect, I have utilized word accumulate, right? It is the responsibility of the family members to take all the medicines which can be required or which can be utilized during the trip, so that by having those medicine with us, we can enjoy our trip to the maximum, right? So instead of using either collect or instead of using either like gather, I have utilized the word accumulate, right? Now let me go to the second sentence which I have created for this accumulate word. And let me remind you, the meaning of this accumulate word would be collect. The second sentence is, younger generation can accumulate electronic waste from door to door campaign and submit it to related organization for further recycling process. See, right now, if we talk about the electronic waste, it is a great threat for the entire world, for entire globe, and that's why it is a really indispensable thing to handle this particular waste in a proper way. And just because of this reason, there are so many organizations who are actively working or which are actively working for handling this waste in a proper manner. So it is the responsibility of younger generation during the weekends, if they have some spare time, they can work with some NGOs to accumulate, to collect electronic waste from door to door campaign, and then those electronic waste can be recycled in a proper way so that the effect of that electronic waste on the globe can be reduced. So instead of using collect or instead of using gather electronic waste, I have utilized the word accumulate electronic waste. Right? I hope you understand the meaning of this particular accumulate word. Now let me go to the sentence which I have seen in the headlines and using this accumulate word. Okay. The headlines is something like this, something relevant with the share market. Continue to accumulate Bharti Airtel stock, says Centrum Brokings Maheshwari. So continue to collect, continue to gather. So instead of using collect or gather word, they have utilized accumulate word. Continue to collect Bharti Airtel stock. This is a kind of advice for the individuals who are working or who are closely monitoring all the share market activities. So the headlines is giving advice that they should continue to collect Bharti Airtel stock. So instead of using collect word, they have utilized accumulate word, right? So I hope you understand the meaning of these two words with meaning and with sentences. And if you really feel that you have learned something new from this particular video, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We will meet next weekend with more words, with more meaning. Till then, be happy. Bye bye.